Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to start recording on your Xbox Series X. So if you're trying to capture like a video clip or something, well, this is easy to do. Press the Xbox button. Then you have all these different options right here where you can take a screenshot by pressing Y, X to record what happened, capture options if you want to go to that quick, or press the button with 3 lines on it for more options. But let's tab over using R1, go to captures and share. Then we can go to start recording right here. Now I'm recording what's happening on my Xbox Series X when I'm playing Destiny. And I think by default we only have like 4 minutes. But I can press the Xbox button again. And I can go to stop recording right here. Or I can go back to this screen. And I can go to stop recording. And then you can view your screenshot too. So I'm going to kill a few of these guys. Then go back over to this section and go to recent capture right here. Then you can see all your video clips, and we can go to show all, and we can see everything that we ever recorded. Now you have to upload this to the Xbox Live Network first before it will show up under here. If you don't see it, you can go to Xbox Console. These are clips that are on your Xbox but haven't been uploaded yet, or they are uploading currently. So you can view it under there. And then switch back over to Xbox Network. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.